Gay!
This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Granny and Grandpa's attic.
Peppa and George are playing at Granny and Grandpa's house today.
Hello, Grandpa Pig. Papa Egg.
Oh, hello, Peppa. Hello, George.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later.
Ass.
Where's Granny Pig?
That is Granny Pig's voice. But where is she?
Granny Pig?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Granny Pig. Gandy Egg. Why is Granny in the roof?
We're tidying the attic.
What's the attic?
It's where we keep all our old things.
Like you, Grandpa Pig.
Fuck you! Things that are even older than me.
Can we help?
No.
Granny and Grandpa's attic is at the very top of house.
That's the door to the attic.
How do we get up there?
I have a clever trick.
You must die!
Granny.
Come on up.
Ooh.
This is our attic.
Wow. It's very...
Gay!
Yes, it's full of old...
Peppa and George are here to...
Die!
Let's start by throwing out this box.
Oh, not that box.
Do we really need this?
That's my ship in a bottle.
And this?
That's my other ship in a bottle.
And these?
They're my other ships in bottles. I need them all.
Well, we have to throw
George.
something out.
How about this box?
My hats.
Oh dear, we can't decide what to throw out.
I know. We'll let Peppa and George decide.
Die!
Let's throw away this old case.
Oh,
Not that one.
This isn't just any old case.
Ooh.
And this was our favorite record.
Can we play it?
Yes.
Oh, we haven't heard it for years.
Die! 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 Die!
Mummy Pig is here to pick up Peppa
Die!
and
Die!
George.
Die! Die! The darkest nightmare hour. I take Zelda, my power. When not moon nor sun has risen, I shall keep her in my prison. I shall keep her in my prison. When not moon nor sun has risen, I take Zelda, my power. In the darkest nightmare hour. No!
No!
No! No!
No! Granny and Grandpa played it all the time. Ooh, and here's the record I used to play when I was a little piggy.
What is it?
It's called
Shut the fuck up!
Birdie, birdie, woof, woof. You were always playing that.
I thought we'd thrown that out ages ago.
Nightmare hour, I take Zelda, my power. When not moon nor sun has risen, I shall keep her in my prison. I shall keep her in my prison. When not moon nor sun has risen, I take Zelda, my power. In the darkest nightmare hour. No! 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 greatest and couldn't die. Join me, and I will make your face